how many solar panels do I need? But the answer isn't one size fits all. The average home needs anywhere from 17 to 25 solar panels. It depends on a few key factors, including your energy consumption, your roof, your solar panels, your location, your future, and your budget. The first thing to consider is how much energy your family uses. Look at your past electric bills to understand the average number of kilowatt hours you use. That's the baseline for sizing your solar system. Next, think about your roof's size and orientation. Solar panels perform best when they're installed on a south-facing roof with minimal shading throughout the day. The size and angle of your roof influence how many solar panels can be installed and how much sunlight they can capture. You'll also need to factor in the efficiency and wattage of the solar panels you're planning to install. Higher efficiency panels can generate more electricity per square foot, allowing you to achieve the same energy production with fewer panels. Today, the average solar panel quoted on EnergySage produces about 400 watts of power. Sunnier regions will require fewer panels to generate the same amount of energy compared to areas with less sunlight. And don't forget about any future changes to your energy needs. If you're planning to add more appliances or expand your household, you may want to install additional panels to accommodate for increased energy consumption. Finally, it's important to consider your solar savings. Adding more panels can increase your initial investment, but it can also lead to greater long-term savings on your electric bills. Balance your energy needs with your budget to find the optimal solution for your home. So how many solar panels do you actually need? Ultimately, the answer depends on your home and your lifestyle. To learn more about going solar, visit EnergySage.com. Thanks for watching.